Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Gay. I'm the founder of New England Bushcraft Organization. I'm excited really to tell you about an event that we're doing with our partners at 508 International. This is the New England Bushcraft Show. It's a phenomenal event. It's going to bring together aspects of overland expedition, adventure travel, bushcraft, survival skills, prepping, homesteading. All of these related disciplines are all going to come together in a one-day outdoor expo hosted here at 508 International. I'm here on site today with a number of the volunteers that are helping us put the event together. We're going to have a good opportunity to listen to each of the partners that we're working with here and find out what they bring to the table.
My name is Anthony Brogno, and I'm an expeditions coordinator here in Massachusetts with Earthwork Programs. I've also just returned from guiding a 4-month-long wilderness expedition in Chile, which we hiked and pack rafted hundreds of miles into Patagonia. I'll be talking about the film that I was a part of, everything that goes into guiding an expedition like that.
My name's Neal Berkeley. I'm with New England Bushcraft, and with 20 years of experience in professional kitchens, I'm bringing a love of local food, local ingredients to try and tie that into a bushcraft outdoorsy cooking experience.
Hi, my name's Nate, and I run a YouTube channel called The Outdoorsman. On my channel, I have a goal of getting people outside and having fun through education, inspiring curiosity, and showing people different types of gear that they can use.
Hi, Frank Grindrod from Earthwork Programs, and we have a wilderness survival school. We run expeditions, and we also help people to connect with the natural world. But what's really exciting about this show that we're doing right now, how to actually create friction fire, which is actually rubbing sticks together, literally rubbing sticks together and making fire. We're going to be sharing about how to make cord. These traditional skills have been utilized for so many years and are actually really important today too, because it helps us connect. You might have been hearing about all these survival shows and everything through National Geographic, Discovery, History Channel, but it's something to be there, to be a part of it, and to see what people are doing and make those connections with your family, with your kids. So this is my invitation to you. Come on out, spend some time with us, sit around the fire, all kinds of things are happening, and you're invited.